Here at the Tenor.
Alright, we're just so it's someplace. The Tenor.
What the hell?
Oh, that's one of those goofy 3D sensors.
Did you just say Westie? That is not a Westinghouse door check, buddy.
Well, it kind of looks like one.
No, it does not.
Well, it kind of looks like one.
It looks nothing
I'm
like
really hard at it.
4th floor.
You can only go between 1 and 4.
You should be able to go to 5. That's where the restaurant is.
No, it's on 4.
No, guys, the sushi place is on 3.
1st floor.
4.
1st floor. Going up.
These are Fujitecs.
How do you know?
They look like it.
Oh. Yeah, see, the restaurant is upstairs. That doesn't make sense.
4th floor.
Going down.